In this video, I will show you how to connect Roku to a Wi-Fi network. Now this can be a Roku TV or just any Roku device. Over here, I have a Roku Express device connected to my TV, and as you can see at the top over here, my Roku device is currently not connected to any Wi-Fi network. So to connect your Roku TV or any Roku device to a Wi-Fi network, what you want to do is to just scroll down over here until you get to settings. So scroll down and then click on settings, just like so. Now at this point, you want to go ahead and select network and then scroll down to set up connection over here. Now click on wireless, and automatically your Roku TV or Roku device will start looking for all of the available Wi-Fi networks it can actually connect to. Now over here you can literally see all of the Wi-Fi network it was able to find. So I'll just go ahead and select the name of my Wi-Fi over here, which is basically the Redmi 12. I am using that as my Wi-Fi in this case. If you want to go ahead and enter the password of your Wi-Fi, so I'll just go ahead and enter mine. And once you're done entering your password, you just want to scroll down and click on connect over here. Now it will start connecting to your Wi-Fi network, and automatically you can now see my Roku device over here have been able to connect to my Redmi 12. You can literally see that over there. And if you want to check the connection, you can just scroll down to check connection over here to check the connection of your Wi-Fi, and you can see that my connection is actually good and strong enough. So basically, that is how to connect your Roku device or Roku TV to a Wi-Fi network. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.